He says, I have bought a property for $20K and looking to sell for $70K with owner financing. Will I owe taxes on the $50K profit that first year that I sell the property, or will it be taxed as I receive the payments?
That's a good question, Kyle, and it's a somewhat of a complicated answer, so you're probably going to have to play this one back 2 or 3 times. Here's how it works. If you buy it for 20 and you sell it for 50 on an installment sale, fortunately you get taxed on the installment sale and you pay taxes on the percentage of profit as you receive it. So I don't want to use your example because the math's not easy in my head, but let's say you bought a house for 50 and you sold it for 100. That means that you have a 50% of the sales price profit. So every time you receive a payment in that case, 50% of the principal portion of that payment would be taxable, as well as all of the interest that you collect on that payment. So it's an installment sale. Since you bought it and sold it, however, in the same year, it is going to be short-term capital gains, but you pay the gains only as you receive the payments. Simple, huh?